This video is an ad for Square-Enix. Kingdom Hearts 3 is available now. And to get into the spirit, I decided to create some Kingdom Hearts-inspired Taiyaki. Woo! The worlds of Kingdom Hearts 3 are so vibrant and look just like the Disney and Pixar movies they come from. Overcome darkness through the power of friendship while exploring these worlds with iconic characters that you already know and love, like Rapunzel, Elsa, and Hercules. My favorite part about Kingdom Hearts 3 is being able to jump in and re-experience these classic stories I fell in love with. There are so many exciting new worlds in Kingdom Hearts 3, I've decided to make delicious taiyaki, inspired by 3 of them and one inspired by our favorite hero, Sora. If you don't know what taiyaki is, it's a Japanese fish-shaped cake which is traditionally filled with red bean paste, or you can fill it with custard, chocolate, cheese, and even sweet potato. We're gonna stick with custard for our taiyaki, but it's time to take this classic treat and put our own Kingdom Hearts twist on it. For the sake of time, I used boxed pancake and custard mix, but you're more than welcome to make your own homemade. The sky is the limit when it comes to sprinkles. They add a little bit of color and personality and are a fun surprise for whoever's eating them. Food dye is needed to bring color and life to your Kingdom Hearts-inspired taiyaki. Add the dye to the batter to get your desired color. I went with red and black for Sora because I thought those colors are kind of fun. This is also the most satisfying part. Fill your taiyaki pan with the pancake mix first, and then add a spoonful of custard. And sprinkle on those beautiful sprinkles, however you may like. Cover again with the pancake batter and flip and cook for 3 minutes on each side. When they're done, they should look like this. Now for Rapunzel, I had to get the purple just right. So it took a little bit of experimenting with blue and red, but I finally got the color I was looking for. I went with a yellow and an orange to get the bright color of the sun for the inside custard. A pixelated heart and butterfly sprinkles felt very fitting for a Rapunzel-style taiyaki. For Elsa's taiyaki, it was pretty simple. All you needed was a blue dye. And since the custard's already white, you don't need to add anything to it. I found some snowflake sprinkles that I thought were perfect for this taiyaki. Also little crowns that really reminded me of Kingdom Hearts. For Buzz, you're gonna need a really nice and bright, vibrant green for the pancake batter. I went back and forth with yellow and green until I got the color I was looking for. For the custard, a nice rich purple will do just fine. Mix a bit of blue and red together until you get the color you're looking for. Now these awesome taiyaki couldn't just be plated any ordinary way. I had to bring a little bit of life to the boxes they were sitting in. So I outlined the cardboard box that I had found and got a little creative with some vinyl sticker paper. Now I wanted these boxes to represent the characters they were inspired by. So I made sure I had the colors right. Like for Buzz, he has purple, lime green, and those red stripes that go on his wings. I think this box turned out pretty amazing. Here's what the final product looked like for me, and I couldn't be more happy with it. I think these tasty taiyaki are a great way to celebrate the new Kingdom Hearts 3 and get you and your friends excited for what's to come. If you're someone like me who likes to throw themed parties, I think these would make a great addition to your Kingdom Hearts party. When people bite into these taiyaki, they'll be surprised by what's inside, and maybe even more pumped and inspired to play the game. These are a tasty treat that anyone can enjoy. I hope this video was helpful. If you plan on making some Kingdom Hearts inspired taiyaki, make sure you let me know on Twitter or Instagram. I'd love to see what you created. Voila! Now you have your own Kingdom Hearts inspired taiyaki. Oh man, aren't they cool? They're like so Instagrammable. Well, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Check out Kingdom Hearts 3. I know you're gonna love it. And I'm just gonna sit here and eat some taiyaki. Well, don't mind if I do. It's so cute. I have so much taiyaki to eat. This is the best day ever. Okay, I'll see you guys later.